Oh, so it's 2020, guys, and the new year has started. But you guys are still having trouble to lose weight, and you guys don't know how to, track your macros or how to count calories, do all these math equations, 1 + 1 = 3, obviously. I'm just joking, guys. But guys, it's 2020, as I said, and there's apps out there that can help you. And today, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a trick, an app that will help you guys lose weight, cut, gain weight, do whatever you guys wanna do, because you guys wanna look fresh. You guys wanna look good this year, right? So please stay tuned and I'll show you guys what this is all about. I'm sorry, I'm recording a video at the moment. Yes, it's about that. Look, Mom, I know I don't use this app. I'm not, Mom, please, come on. I know, I'm gonna start using it. That's why I'm making a video about it. I know it can help you a lot, but Mom, Mom, stop. Okay, bye. You guys are, what are you guys thinking right now? That I'm gonna be using a calculator to track my macros? I ate a salad which has 50 grams of sugar, and what else did I eat? Oh yeah, I had a bagel which is 40 grams of carbs times 4, that's 160 calories. No, guys, that's not the way to do it anymore. We got new stuff, and this, guys, has been out for a while, so I don't know if you guys don't have this. I'm pretty sure, I don't even know why I'm making this video. You guys probably have this by now. What's the whole point of this video anyways? If you guys have it, you guys should have it, right? I'm talking about MyFitnessPal, guys. If you guys don't know about MyFitnessPal, it's an app that I have obviously on my phone. Here it is. This is how it looks. This is the home screen. Guys, it's a very, very, very good and productive app, guys. I'm telling you. With this app, guys, you can fully track your nutrition. You can fully track things like challenges, or you can even start up here. It says a blog, a community, everything. You can even have friends. Guys, you can even make friends on this. I don't know what the loss is. You're out there lonely, you're not happy with the way you look, and you want to make friends and still live a healthy lifestyle. This is the app for you guys, I'm telling you. It's very, very simple to use. And who's this app for? It's for you guys. It's for students. It's for people that don't have time. It's for people out there in the workforce working. It's for people that don't have time, that are lazy and can't use a calculator. And this is old school. Who uses this anymore? And you're asking me, like, where can I use this? Where? Anywhere. Even download, commonly food that you guys eat. Wait. Something's wrong, guys. I don't eat McDonald's. Oh my god, man, the truth keeps on coming out in this video. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys simply how to use it. So you go on the App Store, obviously you download it, you put in all your information, tell you which goals, how you want to look. You either want to lose weight, how tall are you? So I put 6'5", I weigh 250 pounds. So this is very, very simple to use. You go here. You guys can see I do use this app. I really do. I really, my goodness. Guys, I'm just joking with you guys. I really do know how to use this app. This app, the great thing about it is, as you guys can see here on the side here, it uses a barcode method. So if you guys have, any food like this, you got your chicken noodle soup, Lipton. Guys, by the way, guys, I don't know why you guys are eating this. I bought this for the video, guys, but I really don't eat it, and I don't care if it has 25% less salt. Don't be eating that stuff. But it's very simple to use. So you can use the barcode. As you guys can see, it's like a little camera. It has a little square. So you put the barcode right there. You scan it. Boom, guys. Less than a second. While you guys were doing all these math calculations and everything, you guys can have this all stored up right now. So guys, if you guys don't have this app, You know, if you guys are looking for some better way, an easier way, you know, right now guys, a lot of people I know are trying to, you know, lose weight, trying to gain weight, trying to look better, trying to live a healthier lifestyle. This is not just for looks, guys. This is for a healthy lifestyle. This is a great way just to start, to download an app. Simple as that. If you guys cannot download an app, come on now. I just don't see you guys working out, to be honest. But guys, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe it to your, you know, share it to your friends and subscribe down below, guys. And please, guys, please, just follow the journey.